Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I'm sharing this setup that's basically kind of extension from my previous exploration with the origami folding thing by Asahidari. So there's this setup. It's recommended by Nikitron. He made this Exec Node Mod. Basically, this script will take an object, which is in this case this paper, which I cut. It's like kind of random. I make this random cut slice into the surface of the mesh, and then so the Exec Node Mode will take the objects, and then it's gonna separate the folding as mountain or valley depending on the vertex group. So I specify this mount and valley, which actually will translate into the folding. The script node light for the folding is this guy. Still the same mechanism. So I can do the folding. I can control the angle of the valley and angle of the mountain. So I don't know if we can randomize the folding itself. Maybe currently it's just a single value for each folding. However, this is, I think it's really cool. So it takes the objects, separating the vertex and weight, and then here at the end we have this list decompose, which actually decompose the index, the edge index that's gonna fold as a mountain or as a valley. Yeah, so that's the setup basically. So what's cool is that I can actually go inside here, and then we have vertex slide, right? Slide vertices along edge, which is Shift V. So if I try to slide this, Shift V, and then slide it like that, and then update, you can see the fold. The fold is still happening, but it's just it changed in terms of position. Okay, so let's try doing something here. Go to edit mode, and we're gonna get this knife. So I haven't used the knife much. I think I can try actually make a like paper airplane, but not for now. But I'll try something like this, slightly more complicated. So I wonder if this actually can work. Maybe I need to make a cut here. I'm not sure, but let's just try. So I'm selecting the edge. Oops. Escape. Select the edge. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's gonna let's create a vertex weight. So mount. This is gonna be the mountain. Assign the weight, and then this is gonna be valley. Okay. The valley is this guy. Assign. So this should just work basically. So this is the old one. Let's just hide it. Select this. Get selections. And indeed, it seems to work, except for this line over here. We might need to do something about it because it doesn't bend, it doesn't fold, right? This guy fold as we expected. This guy cannot. Maybe I need to make a slice somehow so the middle part can actually fold. But you got the idea. It's very interesting how it works. Okay, knife. There's a knife. There's another one, right? Okay, just use knife. So it does snap, and hit enter. Middle part doesn't work. Maybe it will work now. If I change this into the valley, but remove it from the mount, it's gonna do the bend, hopefully. Oh yeah, okay. It's doing something. Yeah, it's a bit messed up. It's like totally non-manifold, but it works, which is pretty interesting. Maybe I can adjust this, the angle of the valley. Oh yeah, I actually forgot. There's one more thing. This fixed face. This one needs to be specified. So which face you actually want it not to move, you need to specify that. But it's still pretty cool that we can do something like this in Blender. I'm still exploring this. It's not finished yet, but here you can always play around with the solidify, and you know, this could just be like a chair, something, right? It's origami chair. Anyway, that's pretty much it. It's very simple. This thing is thanks to Nordikin or Nikitron. Yeah, this kind of thing is, he says, pretty easy. So he just made this Exec Node Mod. This is actually a pretty cool node. It does a lot of things inside a single node. I don't know what's going on there. I mean, you can read it. It's looking at an object, looking at the weight data, and try to separate it, and then try to find kind of maybe unique edge, and then separating it into this data that this script node can understand from Asahidari, what's his name? Forget. Asahidari-san. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, still learning. Maybe you can play around with this. You can definitely make a paper airplane like shown here by Nikitron. I call him Nikitron. All right. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.